Hi, my name's Stephanie Carron. I'm a Hilti account manager, and I'm here today to talk to you about our Hilti crew kits. So this is Hilti's new crew kit, developed with your job site needs in mind. And there's two things I want you to notice. First, it's security. You can make sure at the end of the day that all your tools are safe and sound and locked up securely in your job site box. And second is branding. You can let everybody know that you're partnering with the best tool company in the world. So let's take a look inside. Number one, this is fully customizable. You can choose the specific tools that you want fitted in here, and then we customize these foam inlays for the tools that you choose. So you can tailor it to a specific crew, and you know you have the most productive tools to optimize your job site. Number two, you can do a quick inventory at the end of each workday. Because these foam inlays are customized to the specific tools that fit inside here, it's very easy to see what's not there when the guys bring back their tools at the end of the day. It's that easy. If it's not in here, you need to go looking for it. And number three, it forces you to charge your batteries at the end of each day. When the guys bring back their tools and put them away, they don't fit correctly with your battery on it. So you need to remove the battery, fit the tool in its specified spot, and then you can charge the battery at the battery charging station above. Easy as that. So if there's two words I want to leave you with today, it's optimization and customization. You're choosing the specific tools that you need for your crews to get the job done right. So I know you're thinking, how much does all this cost? You can outfit your crews with exactly what they need for about $300 to $500 a month. That's less than the cost of a large hammer drill. So give me a call today and we'll figure out how to get your crew set up on their own personalized Hilti crew kit.